So today I'll be showing you how to change the microphone sound direction on the Insta360 Luna Ultra. So this is basically which direction you want the camera to capture sound from. This is a very interesting feature on this camera, and it's world class. So if you swipe down on the screen and then flick from right to left, you will see audio settings. So if you tap on that and then scroll down, you should see sound effect settings. You tap on that, and then under sound effect settings, you will see, if you scroll down, sound direction. Now it's currently set to omni, which means all directions. So it's currently capturing sound. I mean, when it's set like that and you're using the camera, it takes sound from all directions. But if you tap on that and then change to front and rear, it means this camera will only take sound coming from the front and from the rear of the camera. Okay. And then you can choose front only, which basically means the camera will only accept the sound, or will only take sound from the front primarily. Now you might hear some sounds from the sides, but that's gonna be somehow muted and reduced in volume. It's mainly gonna capture sound coming from the front of the camera, and it does this marvelously. I'm gonna test it out, and you're going to see in subsequent videos how that works. So basically, yeah, so that's basically how to change. So you have front and rear, and then omni for all rounded sound. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.